So finally I have selected my favorite filter from Snapchat. Actually I'm not a makeup savvy and I don't know how to do these smoky eyes. So hi everyone, today I'm going to do a self hairstyling tutorial. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can do a waterfall braid on yourself. So let's get started. So I have already blow dried my hair and now I'm going to take a side parting in a zigzag pattern with the help of a tail comb. And I'm just grabbing a little bit hair from the front and just clip it separately so that we can use it later on, like this. Just keeping it a little down here. Now I'm taking a section just behind from the front section, dividing it into two parts, and I'm just giving it a twist. We have to take another section from the above and we have to put this strand in between these two strands like this, and again we have to twist these two. Taking another section, again I have to put this into these two strands and I have to twist these until we get 4-5 strands. We have to repeat this process. So this is the main process of making a waterfall braid. Now I have to pull these strands just to keep it a little bit higher. You can do it slowly. Now you can secure it. So this is the result of the waterfall braid. Okay, let me curl the front section. Looking nice. I hope you like my look. I'm taking a small section from this side and I think it will look much better than open hair. I have curled this section with flat iron. I think it will look much better than before. What do you think? Please do comment on this video if you like it, so that I can make more videos. And what do you say about my smoky eye makeup from Snapchat? I'm just loving it. So I hope you all like this look, and I will definitely try to make another video of self hairstyling. So till then, bye bye.